Acer logo bloopers. Take one. Cut. You're not supposed to be in G major 4, and you're not supposed to have a black background. Sorry about that. That's good. Now I can try again. Take 2. Cut, skippable cuts. You're not supposed to be in the confusion effect and the black background. And the word acer is not supposed to be lighter. Oops, sorry about that. That's good. Now I can try it again. Take 3. Cut. You're not supposed to have a white background. And you're not supposed to be reversed just like in G major 4 and the confusion effect. Sorry about that. Alright, let's try it again. Take 4. Cut. You're not supposed to be like the red effect, and it's not supposed to say the blue, whatever the hey this kind of stuff says. Who made this? What either? Let's just take it again. Take 5. Cut. Acer, why are you charming? You're supposed to be normal, okay? And don't be blue. Sorry about that. That's good. Now I can try it again. Take 5. Cut. Acer, you're not supposed to be in G major, and you're not allowed to have the word acer purple, and you're not supposed to have a black background just like in G major 4. Sorry about that. That's good. Now let's try it again. Take 6. Cut, skippable cuts. You're not supposed to be in a crying effect. You're supposed to have it normal. Sorry about that. That's good. Now let's try it again. Take 7. Cut. You're not supposed to be voices in the Windows XP, whatever the hey it's called, like the Windows Microsoft. Oops, sorry about that. That's good. Now let's try it again. Take 8. Cut. Acer Explorer Beyond Limits. You are not supposed to be super loud in the rainbow effect and high pitched and low voice. Oh, sorry about that. That is good. Now let's try it again. Take 9. Cut. Acer, you're not supposed to have a blue background, and the word acer is not supposed to be brown. Sorry about that. That's good. Now let's try it again. Take 10. Cut. You did good, but you're not supposed to have the word acer purple, and you're just take 11. Cut. You did good, but you're not supposed to be green, like light green. Sorry about that. For the love of God, take 12. Cut. You're not supposed to be in reverse in the same color like I said last take. Alright, now let's try it again. Take 13. Cut. Acer, you're not supposed to have a black background and light green, and you're not supposed to be reversed in the confusion effect, but the music is forward. It's supposed to be normal. Take it again. Take 14. Cut. Cut. You're not supposed to go have a black screen. And why was it in reverse and in the wrong pitch? It's supposed to have a normal. Okay, Acer. Oops, I'm very sorry about that. Alright, take it again. Take 15. Cut. Acer, you're not supposed to have a timer right down there, and you're not supposed to have a different color. Sorry about that. That's good. Now let's try it again. Take 16. I'm not in the same thing, just like the Fox Kids Bloopers episode, I think. Cut. Acer, you are not supposed to have the music really low pitched, and you're not supposed to be like kind of brownish, blackish, whatever the hay it's called. Oops, I'm really sorry about that. I'm gonna give you one more chance, but if you screw up again, you're fired. Take the last one. Cut. That's it. Acer, you're fired. Get out of this studio right now. I just wanted to see my crazy face. Oh, forget it. Time to put you out. I'll have Hit Entertainment take over now. Now, it's not over yet, but let's start with the new logo this time. New logo, come in. Okay, I guess that's a new one. I guess I'll say, Hit Entertainment logo bloopers. Take 1. Cut. Hit Entertainment, you're not supposed to be in G major 4, and you're not allowed to have your background black. And you're supposed to have a white background, and I think I see it right down there. Oops, sorry about that. That's good. Now let's try it again. Take 2. Cut. Hit Entertainment, you're not supposed to be in the confusion effect, and you're not allowed to be reversed. Oops, sorry about that. That's good. Now let's try it again. Take 3. Cut. Like I said, not in the not in the confusion effect. You are supposed to I don't know what I am. Okay, cut. Like I said, not in the confusion effect. You're supposed to not be reversed in G major 4 and have the normal thing and normal. All normal. Just take 4. Cut. Hit Entertainment, you are not supposed to be having a red background. You're supposed to have the background normal, okay? Hit Entertainment, and you're not supposed to be like in the sick logo effect. You're supposed to not do that. Go back and forth, have the camera normal version of the camera. Sorry about that. Take it again. Take 4. Cut. Hit Entertainment. You were not supposed to be like Chardon effect, and you were not supposed to just have it and have a blue background and just have it normal. Take 5. Cut. Hit entertainment. You were not supposed to be in G major. You were supposed to have a normal background, normal color, normal pitch, normal sound. Take it again. Just take 6. I mean 7. I think we're on take 6 or 7. Cut. Hit entertainment. You were not supposed to be in the crying effect. You were supposed to have a normal pitch and have a normal background, okay? Alright. Oh, sorry about that. That's good. Now we can try it again. Take 8. Cut. In entertainment, you are not allowed to be voiced into the remake version. It's voiced whatever, I can't pronounce it. It's called voice dead. Okay. Let's take it again. Just take 9. Cut. In entertainment, you were not supposed to be rainbow background and kind of like G major-ish. You're supposed to have it normal, okay? Okay, now I can try again. Just take 10. Cut. In entertainment, you are not supposed to be, in like a G major-ish, you're supposed to be normal. Okay, alright, let's take it again. Just take 11. Cut. In entertainment, you did pretty good, but you're not supposed to be blue. Even the text hit entertainment and trademark is not supposed to be blue. You're supposed to have a normal, okay? Oh, sorry about that. That's good. Now I can try it again. Take 12. Cut. Hit entertainment. You're not supposed to be green, pinkish. You're supposed to have a normal color. Alright, take it again. Take 13. Take 13. Cut. In entertainment, you're not supposed to be the color thing, and you're not allowed to use D recorder. Oops, sorry about that. That is good. Now let's try it again. Take 14. Cut. Hey, to entertainment, you're not supposed to be like that. You're supposed to have it normal, okay? Oops, sorry about that. My fault. I'm giving you one last chance, but if you screw this up, I'm finished. Okay, now take the last one. Good job, entertainment. You're hired for the next video. Okay.